Good day. Let's do some pre-algebra, simplifying variable expressions. So basically all we're going to do is just combine like terms. There's another word for this, combining like terms. So -3 and a +6p, that'll just give us a +3p. Okay, now the next one, you kind of want to match up the terms that have the similar variables, and you want to separate those from the constants. So we have a b minus 2b, so that's basically a 1 minus a 2. That's going to give us a -1b. We could write this as this, -b. And then -3 plus 6 gives us a +3. So there's our answer, -b plus 3. Okay, the next one, 7x minus x. That's just a 7 minus a 1, so that equals 6x. And for this last one here, 7p minus 10p. That's just 7 minus 10p. That's a -3p. Okay, next set of problems, -10v plus 6v. It's going to give us a -4v. Next problem, -9r plus 10r. That's going to give us a +r, +1. We could just write that as r. Okay, 9 plus 5r minus 9r. So we kind of separate these from the constant. So we have the +9. And then 5r minus 9r gives us -4r. Next one, same thing again. We have a constant here and a constant here. And then in the middle we have our constant with a variable. So we're going to say that 1 plus 10, that gives us 11. And then -3v just kind of is by itself. Okay, 5n plus 9n. That's going to give us 14n. 4b plus 6 minus 4. So kind of group these apart. I'm going to say that's going to equal 4b plus 2. Okay, the next one, we could kind of separate these constants from the variable that we have here. So -1 plus 46, that's going to give us a +45. And that 35n, since it's by itself, we just kind of bring it down. Okay, the last one, -33v minus 49v will give us a -82v. Okay, this first one, 30n plus 8n, we're going to say that is 38n. Okay, 7x and 31x, that's going to equal 38x. Next one, once again, what you're going to do is you're going to separate the variables and the constants. So we have 10x minus 38x. That's going to equal -28x. And 36 minus 47. 36 minus 47 equals -11. Okay, this next one, what we need to do first is we need to do a little distribution. Just -2. So -2 times 7, that gives us a -14. -2 times -n is going to give us a +2n. +2n. And then that +4 comes down. So now we have the constants here. -14 and 4 equals -10, and then that 2n just kind of comes down. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to distribute this -8. So -8 times -5b. -8 times -5 is +40b. And -8 times +7 gives us a -56. and then that plus 5b, we bring that down. Now we just kind of do like this, separate the variables and the constant. So 40b plus 5b, that's going to give us 45b minus 56 for our final answer. Next one, same thing we're going to do. We're going to distribute this -1. Remember, if you don't see anything out in front of the parentheses, there's always a 1 there. There's always an invisible 1. So in this case, we're going to have a -1. So we distribute that -1 inside the parentheses. So we have -4p, and then -1 times +1 gives us -1. -1 times -6p gives us +6p. Now we just need to add up these two and this guy by himself. So -4p plus 6p gives us +2p, and that -1 just comes down. So we have 2p minus 1 as our answer. Okay, next set of problems. We could bring that 4 down. Now I want to show you guys this. You can't simplify this portion because this 5 is attached to this parentheses here. This 5 is attached to everything here, so you have to distribute this -5 in. So what we're going to do is just bring down this 4 and then distribute the -5 like so. So -5 times -4n gives us a +20n. -5 times +3 gives us -15. Now we're just going to separate it like so. So we have -15 plus 4 gives us a -11, and then the 20n is by itself, so we just bring it down like that. Okay, this next one, let's start off by distributing this -7. So we have -7k plus 56 plus 2k. And there we have the k's. Remember, this constant's by itself, doesn't have a variable attached. So -7 plus 2 gives us -5k and plus 56. Don't want to forget the equal signs. Okay, so let's distribute this +7. We know we could bring this 1 down. Just bring it down. So +7 times +1 gives us +7. +7 times -3b gives us a -21b. So then we could add these two together. That gives us 8 minus 21b as our final answer. Okay, next one, we could go ahead and bring down this number 3. And we're going to distribute this -8 into the parentheses. So -8 times 7 gives us -56. -8 times -5n gives us a +40n. So 3 minus 56, that gives us -53 plus 40n for our final answer. Okay, I want to thank you guys for watching this short video on simplifying variable expressions. If you like these type of videos, please press the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for your time.